Daga jingtmu ban kentiu ya kayo kakot jengkipat nong rep lengba ka rep karyang Khubor syate lamingi kari India ki riu Stad riu Shampang bat ki pro jabing haki kamrep na India bat Japan kilaya kendu lang hakasin ka bakhat nyo ban Iamir Jingmut kumno ban rap bat kentiu ya ka rep karyang Khubor jong kani kathan baro kawe. Yakane kajingalang lakhot daka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Cps-As bat lapenlong ha ICAR hakane karansan na yakran bat Iamir Jingmut kerpang halor kapang kumnu ban kentiu ya karep karyang Khubor syate lamingi jongkari India kamtam ha Meghalaya. Ki school ba ki bala sandur ban penlong yakane kajingalang India Japan de ka Central Agricultural University CAU Imphal ka Indian Society of Agricultural Economics Mumbai Kobe University Japan ka Center for International Projects Trust New Delhi bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Hakane kajingalang India Japan dalam khmat do Dr. Anupam Mishra Vice Chancellor Central Agricultural University CAU Imphal. Ki pro jabing hakarap karyang na Sarkar India bat riungut na Sarkar Japan kilaya mir bat yathir jingmut haki babon ki phang ki bayade bat karap karyang haki ni ki jaka jong kari India kilapoi hakawe ka jingmut ya karap karyang haki ni ki than la ban kentiu de ka ba pendan kam de ki jing Stad jong kani ka jup bat de ki bor ki kor ban ya rap ya ki nong rap ban penhe ya karap karyang jong ki haba karap karyang ka he kinong rep kiyo shibon ki jingmentoy bat ki keu hakayo kakot habaro kiliang ki pro jabe kila ai jingmun. Mariapur ki Khubor hamsaya bau Vice Chancellor ke School ba North Eastern Hill University Professor P.S. Shukla ban wan tre biang ha kani ka school ba kinong alam bat ki dekhot ka seng ki Samla puli NEHU Student Union kila stang biang ya ka jingya ki persha ya UVC baro ki kherdop laj no ya ka kherdop ka baar lakhang talalun wad ki kamra tre kam ju UVC ru lakhang tala kinong alam bat ki dekhot jang ka NEHU su kila pahara ha baro ki kherdop banum aila di Professor Shukla ban rong sha kani ka school ba nadu ba sedang ki jingya ki kinong alam bergide khot kan NEHU su kilapan pau syai bakin yai dawa yo Professor Shukla udai ban mi no nakani ka school ba nakajing syak no ba umla ban penyat ya kani ka shlem jing hikai.
Strong academic and cultural ties between India and Japan. I look forward to the discussions and opportunity to learn from all of you over the course of our time here. So thank you very much. So today I talk about the revamp of the Asia-Africa Growth Corridor, AAGC, and Japanese affiliated multinational companies in India. So my talk is closely related with next speakers, Professor Tamari's talk. So just I want to make a brief introduction of the situation of Japanese MNC operated in India, and then I want to reposition the AAGC in the context of Africa-India economic growth. Next slide. So I'd like to emphasize the importance of Japanese MNC in India. So today, I ride on the Innova. So many Indian people like to procure the HMSI, Hero Motorcycle Scooter India motorbike, as well as Maruti Suzuki. So both Japanese country contribute to the industrializations. Fourth largest producer four-wheelers in the this is the 70th Indo-Japanese dialogue. Especially that we started this dialogue 25 years back. So at that time, the esteemed professor of University of Tokyo and Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU, started this Indo-Japanese dialogue 25 years back. Then we are the second generation of these research group in India as well as Japan. So on this time, this is the first time to visit to north east part of India. So recently, Japanese government really wanted to key to see the development of northeast part of India, especially as you know some semiconductor site induced by Tata, just located in Guwahati. So some Japanese are likely to involve this new semiconductor industry, basically based on the by Tata. So we are very happy to interact with this timing. So on this time, especially I had a very nice interaction with scholar of Assam Agricultural University. On this time, just the day before yesterday, we had a conference in the Assam Agricultural University. Then today we had a very nice interaction with the researcher and the vice chancellor of the Central Agricultural University. So I hope we want to continue some academic collaboration work in the future. Yeah.
Actually, that already under the initiative of Government of India and Government of Japan under Act East policy. So this dialogue has been organized. That is the 17th India-Japan dialogue, and this dialogue is basically means concentrating on the topics related to the development of northeastern region. And in the northeastern region, the development issues, what are the main development issues and what are the further development projects that have a very much potential for the development of northeastern region. So that way this dialogue has been organized, and here from 5 different Japan universities, that Japanese scientists, basically they are economists, policymakers, some are scientists, social scientists, and including one collaborator from Punjab Agriculture University, and also the Central Agriculture University being the part of this organizer as a organizer, and College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences in Umiam, Meghalaya. We have organized this, and here we are inviting the State Department officials like the Joint Secretary of the Department of Agriculture, Farmers Welfare joined, and they also presented what are the projects ongoing and what is the future planning. Likewise, various directorates like Agriculture, Horticulture, Animal Husbandry, they are also participating. And from our Central Agriculture University side, that what kind of potential projects we can develop so that development at the grassroots levels for better livelihood improvement of northeastern region can be taken up with the joint ventures of the advanced technologies from Japan, and also the existing technologies what is available with Central Agriculture University, and also with active participations as a implementing agency, Government of Meghalaya, that directorate, various directorates, we are trying to do these things under this discussion. And at the end, finally, we will try to draw some recommendations in terms of policy recommendations and project formulations. And with this view, this has been organized, and on the 6th of March 2025. And thank you very much.
This is mainly focused on agricultural sector.
Yeah, agriculture, then also infrastructure, some, but basically as we are Central Agriculture University, we are giving much more emphasis on the agriculture sector, like say agricultural development projects. Then there are some environmental issues nowadays like carbon credits, carbon farming, green farming, water footprints, ecosystem services. All these issues we want to discuss and how effectively we can implement in the state of Meghalaya for the benefit of farmers. So that is one agenda of this discussion.